Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one I can put into sin x over cosine x and 1 over cosine x squared. And we have e to the power of tan x squared. So this one we can change into tan x. This one we can change into secant of x squared. Now the next one we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to tan x squared. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have 2 tan x secant of x squared. The number 2 that's it from here. So if we do first derivative of this one, you got about 2 tan x. Later that we do first derivative of tan x, you got about secant of x squared. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. Tan x secant of x squared dx we change by du over number 2. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of u and we put about c. About u, that's about tan x squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.